Okay guys, this is the stitch that we are going to learn today. This has got some double crochets and some front post double crochets. I think that you guys are going to enjoy this. This is considered, the skill level is considered intermediate, but if you watch my tutorial, I will walk you through it and you will consider it easy. You're going to love the front post double crochets. All right, I'm just using a medium full weight yarn for this sample, and I'm using a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. But guys, there's so much you can do with this. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this. So to get started on this, first thing you want to do is you want to chain a multiple of 2. So leave a strand of yarn and put your hook behind your strand of yarn, and then just twist it around like that. See? And then yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. That's 1 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. That's 2. So you want to do a multiple of 2. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it's just a sample, so you can make your sample as long as you want. So I went ahead and chained 20 as my multiple of 2. Now you would need to add 1 at the end. So to start off, we're going to work 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, and 1 double crochet in each remaining chain. So the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yarn over, insert your hook in that 4th chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. And then you're going to make a double crochet in each remaining chain. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And let's repeat that again a couple more times. And I'll let you do this on your own. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, I'll meet you when you get to the end of your chain. Okay, so I just finished my last one. So what you go, that's your foundation row. So for row 1, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. So turn your work. Now this is row 1. We are going to, that chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So we're going to go into this next stitch right here, and we're going to make a front post double crochet. So how we're going to do that is you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, not in the stitch that you normally would stitch in, but behind this double crochet, just like that. See that? You're going behind. All right? So insert your hook in between this stitch and this stitch, but you're going behind, okay? And grab the yarn, pull through like that, and then pull it up. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you just made a front post double crochet. Now in this next stitch, you're going to make a regular double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook in that next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. So you have a chain 3, front post double crochet, and a double crochet. So on this next stitch, we're going to do another front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook behind like that, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. That's a front post double crochet. Okay, so we're going to make a double crochet in the next stitch. just like that. Okay, we're going to keep repeating that. We're going to have a front post double crochet in the next stitch. So it's yarn over, insert your hook, go behind that double crochet there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now the next stitch, we're going to do a double crochet. We're going to do a front post double crochet in this stitch, this next stitch here. So yarn over, insert your hook, go behind the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you're going to keep repeating that all the way to the end. There you go. And then a regular double crochet. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. I hope that if you are new to crochet that I'm making this easy for you. The next stitch is a front post double crochet. Put your hook behind that stitch. Like that. Double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in this next stitch. There we go. And double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, front post double crochet in this next stitch. And you should have a chain 3 left. So in the top of this chain 3, we're going to make a double crochet in the top of the chain 3. Okay, so you have your foundation row and you have row 1. So row 2 is going to be our repeat row. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work, and now you're going to work all the way across. And like I said, this is going to be your repeat row. So you're going to start off with a chain 3, and then you're going to have a front post double crochet, front post double crochet, and you're going to repeat that all the way across, and you're going to end with a double crochet. Okay, so we have our chain 3. So the next one we're going to do a front post double crochet. So insert your hook, go behind the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so we're going to have a double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet, there we go, double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the next stitch, and double crochet in the next stitch, and just keep repeating this all the way across. Double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, I will meet you when you get to the end. Okay? When you get to the end, I just finished a front post double crochet. You have your chain 3, and you're going to work a double crochet in the top of that chain 3. And that's it, guys. You just keep repeating row 2. Okay, I can go ahead and get you started on the next row if you want. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. You're going to start off with a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, go behind that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now we're going to work a double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, go behind that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, a double crochet in the next stitch. And guys, that's all you do. You just keep repeating row 2. Okay guys, this is it. There's so many things you can make with this. It has really good texture. Look at that. You can make cardigans, shawls, scarves, hats, you name it. This will look beautiful. All right guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.